Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and creating a quick restore point. This protects you if drivers misbehave. Once done, make sure the Bluetooth adapter is enabled in Settings Devices so Windows can detect hardware. Next, open Device Manager using Win+X and select Device Manager. You're now in the right place to find the Bluetooth node. Expand it and locate the adapter entry so you can begin driver actions immediately. You will now update the driver manually to ensure the latest compatible software installs. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, and select Browse My Computer for drivers. Once chosen, use Let Me Pick from a list to force a specific driver type or point to the folder where you extracted the vendor's download. If the vendor supplied an executable, run it with admin rights. If an inf is present, use the browse flow so Windows finish by restarting Windows so the new driver and Bluetooth services initialize cleanly. After reboot, test connection and pairing. If things fail, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter under Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot, and consider uninstalling the driver and reinstalling the chosen package. Make sure you're using a vendor-signed driver and update chipset or USB controller drivers if Bluetooth plugs into those controllers. This often fixes persistent issues when the adapter never registers correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.